This is the Michaela. This is Michaela. I'm out here at my basketball court. See? One day I'll be able to slam dunk a basketball. Okay, anyways. I had the best spring break ever. It was fun. Easter egg hunts. It was fun. Anyways. Today is April 17th. Dun, dun, dun. Anyways. Stop. 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 Hey, Taco. I'm gonna do like a vocal course like this. Lord, I want to be a Christian in my heart, Lord. I want to be a Christian. It just feels like a million days. La 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 la. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to run in. I'm running to my safe area under the trees. Anyways, I'm under my trees. See my trees. This is my trees. All right then. This is the end of my YouTube channel. So bye. Have a nice day.